The role of the arbitrators is to resolve all of the disputed issues by one or more decisions and to express those decisions in a document which is subject to certain formal requirements and which is known as the Arbitral Award. The process which enables the arbitrators to reach a decision whether to be part of unity or to break from it and issues a dissenting opinion is composed of two intertwined phases, individual and collegial. In the individual phase, each arbitrator hears the parties' arguments and examines the evidence presented to the tribunal in order to reach an individual decision on the dispute. In the collegial phase, the inter-panel dynamics come into play. It is in the collegial phase that the arbitrators conduct the deliberations.
The next important component for us to talk about is the arbitrators and the arbitral tribunal. These are the people who are going to resolve your dispute. Generally, you're going to have a sole arbitrator or three arbitrators, a panel, an arbitral tribunal. You always have them in an odd number so you don't have a deadlock, like 2 on one side, 2 on one side, right? That's not a desirable outcome. So it's generally always an odd number. If you have an arbitral tribunal, it's common typically for each party to select one arbitrator, and then you have a mechanism where the two arbitrators, often in consultation with the parties, will agree on the chairperson, right? Now, if you have these wing arbitrators that the parties appoint, you are appointing them, but the arbitrators are still impartial.
And I'd like to share with you 6 different models of mediation briefly. First of all mediation involves facilitation. That's what distinguishes mediation from processes such as mutual evaluation, arbitration, and conciliation. Yes, the mediator doesn't make a decision, but the mediator is also trying to get the parties to make a decision, to reach a decision, to meet their needs and to move on with their lives and their businesses. So if all mediation involves facilitation, on what basis can you distinguish different mediation models? If you take a look at the slide, you'll see that I've prepared a diagram which shows 6 different mediation models.